think I got in the robot way. He told me to move. My fault, cuz. Go ahead, deliver your thing. Welcome to Miami, y'all. We in Miami, Florida. Florida native here. Finna show y'all how it go down here. So we headed to Brickell. I think that's how you say it. Brickell City Centre. And we're gonna give y'all a piece of Miami, show what Miami looking like. Brickell train station. Let's see where we going. If anything, Miami is loud. That's the first thing you're gonna feel once you get to the middle of downtown Miami, in the Brickell area. I don't even know if y'all can hear me. You know, see me. Show y'all that we dressed for Miami. Is Miami all about palm trees? Is Florida all about palm trees? We're gonna dig in, see what Miami, Florida is about. One thing you're gonna find out, like I said earlier, Miami is noisy. So far, so I've only been to Miami one time, even though growing up in Tampa and moving back to Orlando as an adult. I've only been to Miami one time, so this is the second time, and we're gonna make it count. Let's see what happens. Feels like South Beach, but it ain't South Beach yet. So we're in the Brickell area. We're in the Brickell area of Miami. I'm guessing it's downtown, I'm not sure. But we're here to find out. We're here to find out. Oh, I could have showed the fit through the glass. Camera want to act like it want to track my face every second. Yeah, so we walking down Brickell and we headed to the center. See what visuals we could get. So Miami has the reputation of being a party city and nothing else to it. So going off that, I have no idea what I'm doing here because I'm not the party type. But I know Miami is a popular destination, and I'm here to find out all about it. Party city, beach town. We're gonna uncover all that on this channel. Gonna get the sport cars. Oh, there we go. There we go. I think we about to hit the center. I think we about to hit the center of everything. It's it's face tracking, so I'm really trying to show y'all the shoes I got on. But I might have to put it down, put the camera down so y'all can see. Yep. If y'all didn't get to see it, oh well, too bad. But let's get back to this tour of Brickell Ave or Brickell Boulevard. I don't know what they call it, so. We finally living like China, ain't we? Stay tuned, we're gonna take a trip out to China also. Soon, very soon. That we're about going to go deliver somebody food. And we sitting around acting like this normal. And what type of world is that normal? They said we'll have robots in the future, but they ain't the future yet. We're gonna head to the middle of all this beauty and art Man, the sun is bright, shining. The palm trees. Florida is the greatest place to be on earth, I promise you. Or at least in the US. At least in the US, man. I wouldn't want to live any other place. Florida just had that feeling, man. It's like freedom, fresh air, all that. Other than the price and cost of living, we ain't gonna talk about that just yet. We ain't gonna talk about the price of living just yet. Who wouldn't want to live in Florida? Any part, Miami, Tampa, Orlando, Jacksonville, they all give you that Florida feeling. I could go anywhere else, any other state, and I get that feeling. Vegas, LA, they come close, but they have their own vibe. It ain't nothing like being in Miami on a hot, sunny day. I got a surprise for y'all though. It's gonna rain later today. That's just how Florida is. You're gonna get your rain showers. And you're gonna get your sunny days out all in one day. You get your palm trees. Downtown Miami. Let me know in the comments if y'all live here. I'm thinking it's probably $2,500 a month at least to be centered like this. $2,500 to rent an apartment, 1-bed apartment. I promise you that. If I was to live in Miami, I'll probably be on like the outskirts. Oh, here we got another friend. What should we do? Should we let him through? Or tell him to get out our way? Get out my way, cuz. Go deliver that order. So we living in the future, huh? Let's check out this mall. Brickell Central Mall. I hope I'm saying that right. I don't even know. Brickell. It looked like it read Brickell. But we're gonna see what's going on. Maybe Thailand. Oh, the koi fish over there. I should have went over there first. Oh. Hopefully I don't end up buying nothing. Because I do got the money to spend, but I gotta tell myself no. I should not end up spending that much money when I'm right out here. This iPhone Air battery is terrible, I promise you. I promise you it's terrible. Do not buy the iPhone Air, even if they upgrade it this coming year. Let's see if we can get some visuals of the city. Wish we had some luxury cars coming through, but we finna keep it moving. Should we go in and look at the store this time to see what's going on? But yeah, I could trade this in right now if I wanted to. The 17 Pro. Let's see what else they got. For the AirPods. Oh, you get to listen. I ain't gonna put them on because I don't want nothing to break. Definitely want one of these VR headsets. But I can't find myself to say that I need one. Should I do it? Vision Pro. Do the Apple Watch. Got the Ultra one, so big Ultra. Apple, Ultra 3, Watch 3. I barely use it though this time. Should we do it, y'all? I'm really not trying to get lost. Go check out that video where I got lost in New York, man. I ain't trying to get lost in Miami Mall. And not even buy nothing, you know what I'm saying? Let's get a close-up of the koi fish. So, then again, y'all, so, I'm not, oh, that's catfish, look like. I'm not entirely sure what this place called, so I'm just calling it the Brickell Outdoor Mall. You really could get lost in here. Chanel. And we outside. How can you get lost and we outside, man? We inside, but we outside. You know what I'm talking about? Sure enough, to get lost up in here. If you could say in here or you could say out here, it won't make no difference. If you said one of them, y'all both will be right. As we go on this vlogging tour, seeing what else we could get into. Let's go to the third deck. But man, we'll be like 4 or 5 months in now into vlogging. We've been, of course, we've been to Orlando, my home. We've been to Vegas this year. We've been to New York. And we've been to Paris. We just got back from Paris a couple weeks ago. Miami is the next stop. We're here now. So LA is the next stop. And after that, I'm thinking Chicago. Yeah, this definitely should be a place that y'all come check out, man. Brickell, I want to say it's Brickell Square Mall. Joe and the Juice. Man, they probably gonna got me pay $45 for a juice. I am hungry though, and I don't want to drive I gotta drive 45 minutes to the place that I want to eat. 40 minutes in the other direction of where I actually need to go. But I'm still trying to make that decision. I'm gonna let my hunger decide. If I'm hungry enough, I'll go get it. But yeah, man, my thoughts of Miami is, so far, is loud. It's early in the morning. It's about 9, going on 10. But yeah, it's a vibe, you know? I ain't really get into that. I know people look up Miami for the nightlife. We're gonna try to get into that, see what we could do. But right now, this is the Brickell tour, the Brickell Mall Central Square video. So if you want that video, it might already be up, or you gotta wait on it. I post every Sunday, every Wednesday at 1 p.m. and a video should be up. And that, y'all could go and watch my other videos too, man. Like, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And we're gonna keep this tour moving. Just get better every video, man. I ain't worried about, you know, blowing up all at once, even though that would be lovely. But I'm still working on my craft. And if y'all down to be on this journey with me, just go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, man. We're on our way to 100,000, 100K subscribers. Let's say 100K subscribers by next year. This time next year, next June, we'll have 100K subscribers on the vlog channel. Believe that. We're gonna continue to Brickell Ave, and we're gonna see where that leads us, what type of visuals that it gives us. So right now, I have no idea where the parking garage is, so it's official. We are lost in Miami, just like we was lost in New York. So we're gonna finish this tour, and we're gonna figure everything else out later. Trying to make back to Brickell Ave. Right now we're on South Miami Ave. Brickell Ave is this way. Everybody must be at work today, so we ain't really seeing too much fancy cars. Everybody mad at each other. They gonna keep honking these horns and stuff. Be thinking they honking at me. Got an interstate highway up there. I guess it's a sight to see. I guess this is what you would call a strip walk, like in Vegas or Times Square. It probably look way better at night, but we bringing it to y'all with a day video. We're gonna try to get Ocean Drive at night. billionaires right there in the picture. So yeah, keep it moving. So, and like I said, Miami is loud, whether it's the dump trucks or it's constructions. There we go. That's one thing about Florida, man. You gonna know you in Florida when you get here. As soon as you step out the airport, you're gonna feel that humidity. You're gonna smell that dry air, but it's gonna be refreshing. That's how you know you in Florida, I promise you. Outside of seeing the palm trees. I think that might do it, man. I think we got enough footage for the Brickell tour. And I don't want to get too lost from the car garage, because I still can't find where I parked. Even though I'm talking to y'all on the camera, I tried to accidentally run into where I parked. So that's what we got GPS for. I'm gonna pull that GPS out. Pull that GPS out, and it's gonna get me back to where I need to go. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. That'll be it for this video. Thank y'all. As soon as GTA 6 drop, because y'all know it's in Vice City, I'm flying straight up there with my Back to the Future car. And we're gonna live it up. We're gonna party up there too. That's how I'm gonna look next summer. Guarantee that. We're working on something right here. That could be contributing. That could be what's contributing to the noise of Miami. So there's construction going on 24/7 in Miami. Look at that big crane over there. Probably not to even build something, it's to knock something down. Now, seeing chickens cross the street is a normal thing in Florida, but I did not know it was a normal thing in the middle of the city. Definitely didn't know it was normal in the middle of the city. That's not normal. But if you go to any neighborhood, you see some roosters and chickens crossing the street, just living.